everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today it is my birthday and we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So it's going to be a bit more casual, not really about the makeup. Well, it is, but we're going to be talking, sitting down and just catching up on a few things. So if you want to join me in this video and see what look I create, then please keep on watching. To get started with this look, we are first going to prime our face. I'm going to use my SMASHBOX Photo Finish Foundation Primer and I'm just going to apply it all over the face. Remember, if you have oily skin, you want to apply it in the areas where you get oily the most. I have normal skin, so I just apply it everywhere. Next, we are going to go in and do our eyebrows. I'm going to use my NYX eyebrow gel, and this is in the color Brunette. Now, this is the first time I'm trying it. I'm actually going to be using some new products, and this is one of them. I'm just going to draw a perimeter around the brows using my angle brush. So I'm not going to start from the beginning, I'm just going to start right here. And I hope I am doing this right, because I'll be very disappointed if my GLAM birthday look doesn't look so good. So I am struggling with this eyebrow gel thing. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But it's fine. We have concealer, so we will make it work. Because now I just look like I don't know what. It's fine. They look big now. We're gonna fix it. Don't worry. I just need to be quiet when I do my eyebrows because I feel like I'm gonna mess up if I'm talking. So be right back. So after 20 years, we finally managed to fix the eyebrows. It was a mission, guys. But what I did was I put my MAC eyeshadow, and this is in the color Espresso, on top of the gel, because what was happening is the gel was becoming dry like cement, and then it was looking like mud. It was not looking cute, so that's why I had to put the eyeshadow. And then I just concealed with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Fawn. I usually use Warm Honey, but Fawn is just closer to my skin color and it's just easier to blend out. Whew, now that that is over with, we can get to the fun part, and that is of course the eyes. I just got my new NYX palette, and this is the Ultimate Shadow Palette. These are actually, I bought it at Saturn City, and all items marked with pink were 50% off. But by the time you guys watch this video, it will be over, so I'm sorry guys, but we're going to be playing with these fun colors. I haven't actually decided what eye look I'm doing, so we're just going to wing it. I've already done one eye off camera because I was trying to figure out what look I'm going for. So I'm going to be taking this color, this dark one, and this dark shimmery color. So this is a night look, not something I would recommend you wear during the day. So basically creating a halo look, and then we're going to add some pink glitter. I actually get very excited every year when it's my birthday. I know a lot of people don't like celebrating their birthday. I don't know why. I think it's something you shouldn't take for granted, you know? It's not guaranteed that you'll see the next birthday. So it's just never fun because I can't really celebrate it on the day because it's always during exams. But yeah, there's nothing we can do about that until I get it over, honestly. So I'm just going in with the dark color now. Do you guys celebrate your birthday? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys are wondering how old I am, a lady never tells her age, so I can't, sorry. It's a very special year. So I'm just mixing these colors. I'm just going back and forth, tapping into both of them. So how are exams, guys? Like, I know it's a very personal question. We're going personal, yes. I know a lot of people don't like that question, but hey, it's part of life, man. As a student, as a scholar, whatever you are. Actually, while we're just sitting down, I also just want to let you guys know that November will be the last time I'm posting for 2018. I'll be back next year. I think it's good that creators take a break, you know, just for your own mental health. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Obviously on holiday, enjoying myself. Coming up with fresh new content for 2019. I'm excited. So yeah, it's going to be really exciting. I'm just going to be using my BH Cosmetics glitter collection, and I actually bought this online. Things are actually cheaper online, guys, than if you buy it here. Well, the overseas brands, obviously. So I'm going to take the small brush and wet it. I don't have glitter glue, unfortunately. I think it would have turned out a bit better, but it's okay. We'll just make do with what we have. And I'm just going to press it in. This is going to be a nightmare to take off, then I know. Actually my first time using glitter, and it is falling all over. It's very annoying. But it's so pretty. I don't know if you should hate it, if you should love it. And it causes a mess. So just be careful. And this is cosmetic glitter, so it's not glitter that you'll find in like toy stores or whatever. So I'm just putting it in the center of the eye. Then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just clean it up. I'm going to take my FITME foundation and mix the two and do the things. I'm going to take this one actually and put it on the perimeter of my face, and then this one apply it in the inside, or the lighter areas, I should say. To conceal, I'm going to use EYELINER Pro Conceal. This is creamy beige, just to have more bright under eyes, and the Maybelline FITME concealer, and this is in the shade 30. So I'm just going to mix the two together. I feel like during exam season, that is when I have more Gucci bags than ever, because I'm sleeping late, studying. noticed now I can't sleep before 12. I just can't. And I wonder if I'm going to be able to break that habit during the holidays. I'm going to cream contour with the EYELINER Pro Conceal, and this is beautiful bronze. Thought I'd give you guys the works because we are going for a full brown look. I usually don't cream contour because it's weird. I'm going to use my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and this is a new product, so I'm going to use it to set my concealer. And this is a new brush as well. I've been delaying using it. As you can see, it's white, cream white. So it's going to be kind of hard to wash if I use like a deep color like foundation. So I'm just going to sweep it across. For blush, I'm going to take my Essence Matte Touch Blush and apply it on the cheeks. This is also a new product. You know, I just thought, why not? Just spoil myself. It's my birthday. For highlights, I'm actually going to use an eyeshadow, and this is from Mina. It is in the color 015. It's very subtle as well, so if you want a blind the pupil highlighter, then this is not the one, because it's an eyeshadow. So, or maybe I'm just using the wrong brush. I don't know. Let's try with our fingers. We are not done with the eyes. I'm going to take this purple color Rocha and apply it underneath the eyes. I'm going to take this pinky sort of rose gold color and use it as an inner corner highlight and also highlight the brow bone. I almost forgot again to put on my lashes, so I'm going to use my CONNIE Transform lashes, and this is in the style Champs. And then afterwards I'm going to use my Maybelline The Rocket Express mascara once I've done applying my lashes. To make my eyes just a bit wider, I'm going to use my Essence white eyeliner. To finish off the look, I'm going to use my NYX Liquid Suede, and this is in the color 07. This was also one of the products that was 50% off. Lastly, setting spray, and this is my MAC Prep and Prime Express. This is the final birthday glam look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I actually liked all the new products I used. The lipstick was beautiful. The eyeshadow palette, loved it. The eyebrow gel, even though it's like cement, I don't know how I'm gonna wash my brows off tonight, but I loved it as well. It was something new, something different, but it wasn't too bad. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to give a subscriber shout out to my mom and my dad. Thank you so much. I am who I am because of you guys, and this is for you. I love you. Thank you for all the subscribers that have been here so far. And if you are new here, please just hit the red button down below. It is free of charge. I know a lot of people have asked me if you have to pay. You don't have to pay. And just hit the bell also if you guys want to be notified of every time I post a new video. I love you guys so much. May your day be